Right-click, New Adjustment Layer. Name it Slider. Add the slider control effect. Toggle down the text to text source. Hold Alt to put an expression. Type slider equals. Use the pick whip to grab the slider control. Now type in the following expression. Now use the slider control to animate the countdown. Type in 100, press the stopwatch, move over on the timeline, type in 0 in the slider control. Now preview the animation. Change the numbers in the linear expression to change the numbers on the countdown. Use the 2 fix to change how many decimals. Subscribe for more tutorials.